Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Peppa Tonie is probably one of the most sought-after audio players for young children, offering a delightful blend of interactive storytelling and educational content that captivates little minds and provides hours of entertainment, making it a standout choice for parents seeking engaging and screen-free experiences for their kids, as it brings beloved characters and imaginative adventures right into their homes. Number 5. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Discover the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit, designed to make learning fun for young minds. It's an engaging way to introduce your child to essential early skills. Experience the magic of Osmo, where physical game pieces come to life on your Fire tablet. This interactive system brings learning to life without needing Wi-Fi. This kit features 6 educational games that cover counting, shapes, and phonics. It's a perfect blend of fun and learning for children aged 3 to 5. Watch your child develop crucial skills like pre-reading, letter formation, and problem-solving. It also fosters creativity, fine motor skills, and emotional understanding. The kit comes with everything needed to start playing, including the Osmo base and reflector for your Fire tablet, plus all the interactive game pieces and apps. Specifically designed for ages 3-5+, this kit provides a stress-free environment for experimentation and learning. Real-time feedback helps them learn at their own pace. What we like. This interactive learning kit brings educational games to life with physical pieces and a tablet. If you're looking for a way to make learning fun and engaging for your preschooler, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for children who learn best through hands-on activities and visual feedback. What people say. It's very interactive and it gets him excited to play along. Plus, it's very cool that he gets to see his work on the tablet. The setup was not too bad. You do have to install under the parent's profile, but it explains the process pretty well. The Osmo system has been such an amazing system for my kids to learn on. Endless of fun, and they are actually learning something while they play. My oldest loves helping his little sister learn her numbers and letters. Perfect to set up at our table while I make dinner. Would start off with the 4 games for anyone 4 and under, but great introduction to educational interactive games. My almost 4-year-old loves that it talks to her, and I love that it shows her what to do for all the games each time. Number 4. Tonies Paw Patrol Chase Audio Toy. Meet Chase, the brave police pup from PAW Patrol. He's always ready to jump into action and help with any rescue mission. When Chase goes missing, Ryder and the pups launch an exciting rescue operation. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Join the pups as they face a new challenge involving dinosaur eggs and a mischievous Mayor Humdinger. Chase is ready to help save the day. This adventure teaches children important values like teamwork, problem-solving, perseverance, and friendship through engaging stories. Enjoy approximately 53 minutes of playtime with 2 exciting stories featuring your favorite pup. It's perfect for ages 3 and up. This set includes the Chase toy character. You'll also hear the theme song, Quest for the Crown, and Pups and the Lost Dino Eggs. To bring these adventures to life, you'll need the Toniebox audio player, which is sold separately. What we like. Bring the beloved Paw Patrol character, Chase, into your child's playtime with this audio figurine. It offers 2 exciting stories that teach valuable lessons about teamwork and problem solving. If your child is a fan of Paw Patrol and enjoys listening to stories, this is a great way to keep them entertained and learning. What people say. Sound quality is good and overall item quality is solid. He is 16 months old and is able to completely use it on his own. The stories are extremely cute and easy to follow along. Number 3. KOKODI 2-pack LCD Writing Tablet for Kids. Introducing the KOKODI LCD Writing Tablet, a fun and mess-free way for kids to draw and write. It's like writing on paper, but with endless possibilities for creativity. Let your child's imagination run wild without worrying about messy crayons or markers. This tablet offers a simple and enjoyable way for them to express themselves. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for keeping kids entertained on car trips, at restaurants, or anywhere you go. Say goodbye to boredom on the move. Save paper and embrace sustainability. One tablet can replace thousands of sheets, making it an environmentally friendly choice for your little artist. With an easy erase button and a secure lock switch, drawing and clearing is a breeze. The included stylus fits perfectly, ensuring it's always ready for their next masterpiece. Ideal for children aged 3 to 7, this tablet is a fantastic tool for practicing writing and drawing. It's a gift that provides hours of educational fun and creative exploration. What we like. This set of colorful LCD writing tablets offers a mess-free and portable creative outlet for children. It's perfect for car trips, restaurants, or any time you need a quiet activity that sparks imagination. If you're looking for a way to reduce screen time and paper waste while keeping your child entertained, these are an excellent option. What people say. Lightweight, durable, easy to use. Writes and erases smoothly. Perfect activity outside of screen time. I love the colors and that it has a string to attach the stylus to the board, so it doesn't get lost. Very easy to travel with and worked perfect. Great size too for small hands. Number 2. Tonies Peppa Pig Audio Toy Figurine. Join Peppa Pig and her family on exciting journeys around the world and on holiday. It's a wonderful way to explore new places and create lasting memories together. This delightful audio toy teaches children valuable lessons about friendship, strengthening family bonds, and the excitement of travel and adventure. It's fun and educational. With the Peppa Pig toy character, you get 9 engaging stories, offering approximately 60 minutes of playtime. It's perfect for little ones aged 3 and up. Enjoy a fantastic track list including Peppa Goes Around the World, George's Balloon, and Peppa Goes on Holiday. There are so many adventures to discover. Simply place the figurine on the Toniebox audio player to bring these wonderful stories to life. Please note, the Toniebox is sold separately. What we like. Join Peppa Pig on exciting adventures around the world and on holiday with this audio figurine. It features 9 delightful stories that focus on friendship, family, and travel. If your child is a fan of Peppa Pig and loves listening to stories about everyday life and adventures, this is a wonderful addition to their collection. What people say. It has the real voices, sounds, and songs from the show, which is nice. Cute stories and easy to use. Durable and good quality. She RCD Pippa and she played it several times and still does. Number 1. Tonies the Peter Rabbit Collection Audio Toy. Discover 4 of Beatrix Potter's most cherished stories, all gathered in one magical collection. It's a wonderful way to introduce little ones to classic tales. This collection features The Tale of Peter Rabbit, The Tale of Mr. Todd, The Tale of Benjamin Bunny, and The Tale of the Flopsy Bunnies. You'll hear the original language from these timeless stories. These tales offer valuable lessons for children, teaching them about perseverance, believing in their dreams, and the importance of listening to advice. It's learning disguised as fun. Included is the beloved Peter Rabbit toy character, bringing these 4 enchanting stories to life. Enjoy approximately 65 minutes of playtime with this engaging audio toy. Perfect for children aged 3 and up, this collection is presented in English. Simply place the character on the Toniebox to start the adventure. Please note that the Toniebox audio player is required to enjoy these stories and is sold separately. Get ready for hours of imaginative play. What we like. This collection brings 4 of Beatrix Potter's most cherished tales to your child's fingertips. It features the original language and narration, offering a classic storytelling experience. If you appreciate timeless stories and want to introduce your child to the enchanting world of Peter Rabbit and his friends, this is a perfect choice. What people say. The story of Peter Rabbit is beautifully narrated, and the sound quality is top-notch. Has good amount of content with over an hour over stories and the narrator is engaging. This Tonie has fantastic paint detailing that has held up to the beatings given by my 2- and 1-year-old since it was given to them by the Easter Bunny 2 months ago. The narrator has a soothing voice with a British accent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.